Some COD Vanguard players are experiencing issues with the offline error after preloading the next update. This issue comes from the connection failed, an update is required error that needs to be fixed. If you're one of the victims, you can check the steps to fix the Call of Duty Vanguard connection failed update required error. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Method 1. Check COD Vanguard server status. First, you should check out the Call of Duty Vanguard server status from this link to ensure there is no server downtime or service outage happening at that moment. If in case there is an issue with the server operations, then you'll need to wait for some time until the problem has been resolved. Currently, there is no server issue happening at the time of writing this article. Method 2. Power cycle your router and console. Make sure to perform a power cycle to your console and Wi-Fi router to check whether the glitch has been fixed or not. Just turn off the console and the router and unplug the power cable from the power source. Now, wait for around a minute or so, then plug back the power cable in and power on the console and the router again. Method 3. Avoid preloading the next COD Vanguard update, PS5. Make sure to avoid preloading the next update of Call of Duty Vanguard on the PS5. It may cause some issues with connection failure or dev errors whatsoever. Until the developers come up with a patch fix, you should avoid preloading. Method 4. Disable on-demand texture streaming.
Just head over to the in-game menu, go to Settings, turn it off under the Graphics tab. Method 5. Repair game files. Launch the Battle.net desktop app. Locate the COD Vanguard game from the library. Select Options, click on Scan and Repair. Wait for the repairing process to be done. Finally, restart the game to check for the issue again. Method 6. Link your Activision account to the device. According to some players, it seems that linking issues with the Activision account and the COD game profile may cause several conflicts during login or connecting to the game server. It's better to properly link up your game profile to the Activision account or sync so that the game server connectivity doesn't appear again. You can check this link to manage your Activision account easily. Method 7. Change MTU settings on PS5. If in case you're still encountering the COD Vanguard connection failed update required error code, then make sure to change the MTU settings on your PlayStation console. By default, your console or PC should get the best MTU setting for you, but if you've changed something, then it may cause an inappropriate MTU setting. This will definitely trigger multiple issues with the server connectivity. Method 8. Factory reset of router. You can also perform a factory reset of your Wi-Fi router to check for the issue. Sometimes networking glitches or temporary cache data issues with the router can occur. Several errors like server connectivity or slow data speed. Just press and hold the reset button on your router for around 10 to 15 seconds until the LED indicators stop blinking, slows down, and start blinking normally again. Now, wait for some time and connect to the Wi-Fi network again. Method 9. Reinstall COD Vanguard. If none of the methods worked for you, then make sure to uninstall and reinstall the Call of Duty Vanguard game on the gaming device. Although I don't recommend doing so as it's a lengthy process and all of your saved game data might gonna be lost, there is nothing left except for this.